Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by copying the content you need. Select text, image, or object and press Ctrl+C. Once done, open the clipboard pane from the Home tab by clicking the small launcher in the clipboard group. You'll see up to 24 entries listed. This lets you pick and paste previous copies. Make sure to copy items in the order you'll reuse them so the pane stays organized, because Word's clipboard stores the most recent items at the top for quick access. Now you'll paste and manage items. Place the cursor where you want content and click the desired clipboard entry to paste. Do this instead of repeated Ctrl+V to choose specific entries. Use the Paste Options icon to keep source formatting or match destination. This matters for styles and spacing. If items conflict, delete single entries via the clipboard menu or clear all to remove clutter. This keeps your document consistent and prevents accidentally pasting outdated snippets. Finish by using the clipboard across apps. Copy from Excel, Outlook, or PowerPoint, and the Office clipboard will aggregate items for you. This lets you assemble content from multiple sources without recopying. Once finished, paste into Word and then clear the clipboard to protect sensitive data. If an item won't paste, make sure the source app hasn't locked the object. Restart Word or clear the clipboard pane and recopy. That simple restart resolves most paste failures quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.